Hello everyone. Welcome back. I know it's been a long time. I was on vacation handling business, but I am back, and today I am going to be doing some bob plaits on my client. So to start off, I am going to part off a section in the back. Now this section is going to be braided up, so I'm not going to be plaiting the whole head. For the sake of time, we're going to braid the back section up. So I'm going to part off a section here in the back, and then I'm going to braid or cornrow the back section up using some braiding hair. Y'all, don't mind my head. Y'all know how it is. You slaying others while you out here just, looking like God knows what. But we gonna get that together. Don't worry about it. After braiding, I went ahead and created my sections, and here I am using the rubber band method. So this was just the start of the style. I didn't get to finish it that night, so that's why I twisted her hair up so that she can go about her day the next day, and then she would come back and I would finish it. the next day. So I sectioned off her hair. These are, I would say, about medium-sized sections, twisted it, and I sent her on home. So here we are the next day, and I am going to begin my braiding process. So I've already started the back. So basically what I'm doing is I start the braid from the root, of course, and then I braid down. And I'm braiding here in real time so you guys can see the actual time that it took for me to complete one braid. And as I get towards the end of the braid, remember these are bob plaits, and I am going to be burning the ends. So as I get towards the end of the braid, I don't braid all the way down because that's a waste of time. I braid to my desired length, or the client's desired length, but in her case, she always tells me to do whatever it is that I want. So I went ahead and braided down to my desired length, and then I tied a knot at the end to secure the hair at that exact spot, so that when it's time to burn, I literally just, you see, as I'm doing here, I literally just burn it off, and that's that. I'm going to go ahead and braid the rest of the hair, and then I will come back and show you all how I burn the ends. The braiding process is complete. I know it looks a little off, but here are the braids, and now I am going to begin burning the ends. Here is a lighter. Now I did start off with a lighter, but I eventually had to move on to the long ones. I don't know what you call them. It's the lighters, but the ones you have to press, because this one, I don't know what I was thinking. It was about to burn off my fingers. I don't know how you all do it. So here is how I burn off the tips. I am burning and pressing the hair in, basically molding the end of the hair as I burn so that it can fold in, and I'm going to be getting that bob look. So this lighter did take a long time, which is why I eventually ended up switching it to another lighter, aside from the fact that it was burning off my fingers. So once the hair has fallen off, you continue to burn and you mold it. So you have to curve it. You see how I did it here? Curve it. And then you basically do that for the rest of the braids. Here is the finished look. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I'm thinking about doing it myself. She got so many compliments and it really did suit her face. So I'm glad she liked it. And that is always the goal, for the customer to be happy. I'm glad she liked it. And go ahead and leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Support. Like and also share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.